Welcome to my YouTube video on how to make your website more user-friendly. In this video, we'll explore some practical tips and best practices that can significantly enhance your website's user experience. By implementing these strategies, you'll keep your visitors engaged, boost retention rates, and ultimately achieve your online goals. So let's get started. 1. Simplify navigation. Clear and intuitive navigation is crucial for any user-friendly website. Keep your menu simple and organized, using descriptive labels for each section. Ensure that users can easily find what they're looking for, reducing frustration and encouraging longer browsing sessions. 2. Optimize page loading speed. A fast-loading website is a must in today's digital world. Users expect instant access to information, and a slow-loading site can drive them away. Compress images, leverage browser caching, and choose a reliable hosting provider to improve your website speed. 3. Mobile responsiveness. With a significant portion of web traffic coming from mobile devices, optimizing your website for mobile is essential. Adopt a responsive design that adapts seamlessly to various screen sizes, ensuring a smooth user experience across all devices. 4. Clear call to action, CTA. Make sure your website's primary actions, such as buy now, sign up, or learn more, stand out prominently on each page. Use contrasting colors and concise action-oriented language to encourage users to take the desired actions. 5. Prioritize readability. Ensure that your content is easy to read by using a legible font, appropriate font size, and sufficient contrast between text and background. Break up long paragraphs, use bullet points, and add headings to improve scannability. 6. Streamline forms. If your website requires users to fill out forms, keep them simple and easy to complete. Minimize the number of mandatory fields, provide helpful hints, and use error messages that guide users to correct any mistakes they make. 7. Include search functionality. A search bar is a valuable tool, especially for content-heavy websites. Implement a well-placed search bar that helps users quickly find specific information, products, or services they are interested in. 8. Test user experience. Regularly conduct usability testing to identify pain points and areas for improvement. Gather feedback from real users to make informed decisions about enhancing your website's user-friendliness. Conclusion. By following these tips and incorporating user-friendly features into your website, you'll create a positive and enjoyable experience for your visitors. Remember that a user-friendly website not only keeps users engaged, but also builds trust and credibility for your brand. So start implementing these strategies today and watch your website's user experience soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who want to improve their website's usability. Happy website building!